welcome to Times Foodie. Today I'll be showing you a yummilicious dessert recipe using the season's freshest strawberries. So let's get started. We'll be making no-bake tarts. For that we'll grind the biscuits to a powder. We'll add some melted butter to this. Give it a good mix. So this is going to be the base for our tarts. Let's prepare the tart tins. Let's prepare the base for the tarts. These are loose bottom tart tins. Let's begin by adding the crushed biscuits to the tins. We'll fill the other tin similarly. Here I have taken a glass with a flat bottom. I'm going to use this to flatten the biscuit crumbs. We are done with the base. So now for the edges, keep on pressing this with your fingers. As you can see, this is ready. Similarly, we'll prepare the other tart tin. We'll refrigerate this for 30 minutes till they set well. Step 2 is making the strawberry compote. The pan is hot. We'll directly add the strawberries to it. Next goes in some sugar. We'll cook the strawberries till the sugar melts. I'm going to cook it on low heat. As you can see, the sugar has melted and the strawberries have started releasing their juices. The idea here is to cook the strawberries till they turn slightly mushy. The strawberries are nice and mushy, so I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to balance out the sweetness. We are going to cook this for a couple of minutes only after adding the lemon till it thickens just a bit. This has thickened well, so let's remove it from the heat and keep it aside to cool. Step 3 is preparing the filling. For that I have taken some cream cheese. I'm going to whisk this till it turns nice and creamy. As you can see, this has become nice and creamy. It's time to add some icing sugar. Mix it well. As you can see, the icing sugar has combined well with the cream cheese. Now to give it a rich texture, I am going to add some freshly whipped cream. Gently mix this so as to combine the whipping cream and the cream cheese together. This is combined well. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, the strawberry compote. Gently fold this into the cream mixture. This is ready. So now let's pipe it into a piping bag and assemble the tarts. Our tarts are ready. I'm going to show you a trick how to demold these. You have to take a glass which has a height, place the tart tins on it and gently slide it down. We'll remove them and place them aside. Let's pipe in the filling. Let's garnish it with some berries. And now my favorite, blueberries. Rosemary for added freshness. And our tarts are ready. Do try these recipes for your special ones and make them fall in love with you all over again.